It's really interesting question. Like, what is a metaverse? Like every company right now, they have a different definition of metaverse. By the way, like the way Facebook or you can say Meta, so they envision it as like a more towards AR VR reality. Okay, and for companies like Fortnite, Atari, it's like more kind of game, right? Like Fortnite, and so they kind of envision it as a game, but it's kind of a combination and of all this like AR, VR, blockchain, and even the gaming experience. So why there's so much hype around metaverses? Because we are spending so much time like in the metaverse. Like as a the first example is Fortnite and the Roblox. So people spend so much time in those games, and even PUBG, which is kind of a really sensation. So what will happen in future is metaverse is nothing but internet on steroids. Okay, like say the way right now you're buying anything on Amazon in your phone in that app, it's so boring, right? But in future, you will be actually going in a virtual store. You will be kind of on your body, like when you the shoes will automatically fit in your legs, and you'll be able to see how it will look on your overall body. Okay, so those experience will be created. And even when you are doing, like right now we are doing a call, okay, so which is kind of a very a 2D way or web 2.0 version of it, but there'll be like a 3D version of this where we are actually interacting in a very realistic manner. And so this is what is kind of intriguing about the metaverse, and why companies like Facebook, which is just like a $1 trillion company, it's already a $1 trillion company, so they are kind of getting all in metaverse. That means it can at least become 10 trillion. So I personally see there'll be multiple $1 trillion companies in metaverse, and like everyone will move towards the metaverse, like from whether it's a shopping, whether you are buying or you are watching a series, or you're even attending stand-up comedy. So all those things will happen in metaverse. People will be spending majority of time. Concerts are already happening, like Travis Scott's concert, like it went crazy. 5 million people attended that concert. So metaverse, according to me, is nothing but internet on steroids, and everyone has a different definition. They kind of try to explain metaverse from their own perspective, but it is nothing but internet on steroids, where everyone will come together, will spend majority of the time, and even brands will follow. And NFTs are making that really easy.